Welcome to Health Teach AI. Today we're shrinking down and entering your body to discover how digestion really works.
Welcome! Time for mechanical digestion.
Digestion begins with chewing. This is mechanical digestion. We grind food into smaller pieces. Smaller pieces mean more surface area for enzymes.
Here comes amylase.
Saliva contains amylase, an enzyme that breaks starch into sugars. Chemical digestion has officially begun.
Rolling and pushing.
The tongue forms a soft ball called a bolus. The bolus enters the throat. Wave motion activated. This movement is called peristalsis.
Welcome to the acid chamber. The stomach performs both mechanical and chemical digestion.
Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria and activates enzymes.
Proteins, let's break them.
Strong muscles churn food into a thick liquid called chyme. Blood vessels support the stomach with oxygen and nutrients.
Welcome to the absorption center.
I provide enzymes for carbs, fats, and proteins.
I am liver. I produce bile to break fats.
I am gallbladder. Fat, carbohydrates, and proteins break down. Fats become fatty acids. Carbohydrates become simple sugars. Proteins become glowing amino acids.
We absorb nutrients.
Delivering nutrients everywhere.
Remaining waste enters the colon. The colon walls absorb water, and the waste solidifies.
We help finish digestion.
Stored until ready.
We work as a team.
Your body is an incredible system. Take care of it. Eat healthy, chew properly, and stay hydrated.